St. Patrick's Day is almost here. Let me show you how to make an easy shamrock activity for kids. If you enjoy this video or find it helpful, please give it a thumbs up and don't forget to share with your family and friends. The supplies you need are cardboard yarn, glue, tape, eyes, a pencil, one pipe cleaner, and scissors. The first step is to draw a shamrock. Think of the shape as 3 hearts connected at the center. Once you drew the shamrock, cut it out. Next step is to make little cuts all the way around. Next, tape the end of the yarn to the back of the shamrock, and then you can begin wrapping the yarn around it. The final step is to glue the eyes and cut a little piece of pipe cleaner for a smile. and this is the finished product. I hope you enjoyed this video. Thank you for watching.